What is up, cabbages? Crazy cool cats, welcome to Nature's Produce. This is the third episode, and today's first thing on the aisle is this. Alright. Alright guys, this is actually very delicious. I highly recommend it on the list. You know, I never really let the cameraman choose. What shall we eat today?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
All right. These are very grainy.
Looks like a hearty meal.
It does look like a hearty meal, aren't you right? Very yummy. I enjoy that one. I want to a lot. That was really good. I think it's time to move on to the next one. Alright, we never really tried these. They're very rare. Oh. See how the water texture is on that? Very yummy. I really like it. Oh, that was good. I highly recommend that one. 10 out of 10. Delicious. Alright guys, this is the next thing on the list.
Is that one good? Is that one good?
It's very delicious. You should try that one yourself. Yummy, right?
Yeah, that was pretty good.
This is the chair where all thoughts come from. Very sturdy, very good at shaking. Well, I think it's time to cut to the race.
Alright, so what you're looking at here is the red turbo. Now this is my drag racing car. This is my preferred street car. It's got this nice red and black turbo chrome finish. That's still working out my mistakes. Please don't hurt my family. This is painted in red and black chrome finish. It's got some nice stripes down here and right here, and it's got drifting capabilities, which is always nice and handy for when you've got sharp turns. It's also got two nice handlebar grips, which adds 98 horsepower, and I think that's really something. When it turns into it's a very powerful drifting racing scooter car.
What's up guys, welcome to the channel. This is my car that's competing. This is very nice. It's LS swapped engine. It's got a single turbo. It's very good. But it also reminds me back of my past when I first just found my wife. Now she's dead and her ghost haunts me. But I think this will beat the other car in the race. No offense. It's kind of a flasher, not even gonna lie. But yeah, I think it's gonna win. It's very nice. It's got a nice spray, you know, neon green, lime green, I don't know. Very beautiful, and I think the color, and it's made in the USA sticker, adds 500 horsepower to it. That's crazy. This other one right here, very nice. You might want to get close to it because you have to not admire the details. Oh yeah.
But isn't that a warning label?
No. Also this is very lovely. We also have these bolts. They're not really real, but it's for aesthetic purposes. It's got a nice slender body. This is a very rare body to the nice car / sled. The plants, they're after me. Oh my god, they're throwing stuff at me. Stop.